Hi guys, this is Saving Money with Jazzy. So I'm just coming in with another coupon haul from CVS for the days of June 7th till the 13th. So I did pick up a couple of things. I think it was a pretty good haul overall. Couple things happened. I will explain that when we get to them. So let's get started. So the first thing, I did one transaction. So I've been trying to do like one transaction, and that's kind of hard because that's when problems will happen, because you can't keep track until they're done, and then you have to look and make sure everything came off. So I tried to do off of one transaction. I knew it was going to be a little challenging, but I wanted to do it because I hate breaking them up into small transactions. And at my CVS, I have to continue to do one or two and then go back in the line and do a couple more and then back in the line. So that I didn't want to do that night. So I was like, let me see if I can do it on one haul and see how it goes. And if not, then I'll just go right back to breaking them up. So these are the things I purchased on the same haul. So the one I got was the Aleve. So the Aleve special is buy one get one 50% off. When you spend 20, you get an $8 ECB, limited one per card. So I did buy two for $8.49 and then two for the $4.25, 50% off. My total was $25.47. I used four of the $4 manufacturer coupons that came in the newspaper, so $16 off, and I ended up paying $9.47 and getting an $8 ECB back. So the next thing that I did was the Depends and the Poise. They're on sale for $5.99. I got two of them just because I had good CRTs and coupons for them. So I did get two at $11.98. I had two $3 manufacturer coupons on the app, a $3 CRT for any Poise, and a $3 CRT for any feminine care. So it ended up being free and a little bit of overage that rolled on to the next, well, I'm assuming to everything else. So that was free, and I got a $2 ECB for that. The next thing I got was the CoverGirl deal. This week it's spend 15, get 7, and you get a free GSQ blender. So this is the one I want to explain what happened. So I did buy one eyebrow for $5.99, one foundation for $8.29, and it was $14.28. So I did not hit the 15, correct? So what happened was, at that point, I had to do the GSQ blender on a separate transaction. I don't know why he said that. I don't know, the cashier didn't really know what he was doing. So I did have a $3 manufacturer coupon for the eyebrows, for the any eyes makeup for CoverGirl on the app. I did print one out for the foundation for $3, so it was $8.28. So then I had to do a separate transaction at the end because he says that it would trigger a receipt to come out, and then I purchased it afterwards. Well, it never did, so then he had to ring me up for the GSQ blender, which I don't know if it triggered it as a whole new purchase. And then he put that I paid with $6.49 of ECBs, which he had to manually put in. So that, I don't know if that was included, but that triggered my $7 to get printed out for CoverGirl. So mind you, on the first transaction, the $14.28 did not trigger. So with the GSQ blender, put those two together, it triggered the $7 ECB. So I don't know if that's included, if that's part of the deal, because when the ECB prints out, it does say CoverGirls and GSQ blender. So that's something to look at, and I did get a $7 ECB for that one. And then I did the Physicians Formula, the I think it's eye definder. So this one was $9.99 in my store. My store does do the 98% rule, so that was $9.99. And Physicians Formula this week is spend 10 get 5. So I had a $4 CRT from the red box. Everyone should be getting one. Ended up paying $5.99, and I got a $5 ECB back. So that was a good deal. And then I did the 1-a-day vitamin. So this one was the freebie for everybody. This was the 49-cent red box CRT, which will make it free, and I did get that one as well. It looks like this is just like a little sample. Haven't tried it, can't try it. So let's see. The next deal I did was the U by Kotex. I did get 2 pads and 2 tampons. So this week is buy one get one 50% off. Spend 15, get a $5 ECB. So I did purchase one for $6.29, purchase one for $5.99. Then the 50% off was $2.60 and $3.15, so it came to $18.03. I did use 3 manufacturer coupons for $2, one from the app for $2, a $1 CRT for any tampon, and a $2 CRT for the Teen Youth by Kotex by itself. So it's this one right here. So coupons together took it down to $7.03, and I did get a $5 ECB. So I'm okay with, buying a little bit more, just because I'm pregnant right now, so I know afterwards I'm going to need these items. So I've been stocking up on pads and stuff like that, so I'm okay with that. And the next thing I got was the Oral-B mouth rinse. So that deal was buy one, get a $3 ECB. Mine is $10.79 at my store. I used a $3 coupon, and then I had a $4 CRT on that mouth rinse by itself, so it came out to $3.79. I got a $3 CRT. ECB, sorry, and it's limited to 2. So I could go back and do that one more if I wanted to. Then I did the Pantene and Crest buy 4, get a $7 ECB. I did get the 3 Pantenes, the 3 for $12, and I got a Crest up there on top for $2.99. That brings it to $14.99. I had $1 manufacturer coupon for the Crest on my app, 3 off of 3 on the Pantene on my app as well. Then I had 2 of the $2 CRTs for any Pantene, brought it down to $6.99, and I got a $7 ECB. So the next deal I did was the Schick. This one I spent a little bit more than I wanted to, but I do need those items, and if I have the CRTs, why not? So the Schick disposal and the razor deal was spend 15, get 5. So I bought 2 of the disposals for 2 for $12, and then 2 of the razors for $8.99 each. Brought it to $29.98. I had a $6 manufacturer coupon for the disposals on the app, a $4 manufacturer coupon for the men's razor on the app, a $4 manufacturer coupon for the women's in paper printed, and then I had a $4 CRT for any 2 disposables and a $3 shave care. So that brought it down to $8.98, and I got a $5 ECB back. So that's not bad. So the next one was kind of confusing because I did 3 of the Colgate deals in one. I had 2 CRTs that divided itself between all 3, so I'm not sure how much went to each one. But the first one I did take advantage of was a Colgate Spin 8 Get 4. I got the 2 toothpaste of the Total Advance up there for $4.59. Then I got 2 of the toothbrushes that were included. It looks like this, the 360. And those ones were $5.99, so I got 2 of those. Then I had 2 of the 50-cent manufacturer coupons for the toothbrushes. I had 2 75-cent printables for the toothpaste from Colgate.com. And I had a $4 CRT, and I had a $2 CRT, so I brought it down to $12.66. And I did get that. I triggered the 8 ECBs back. The next Colgate deal I did was the Optic White. So this one was spend 12, get 6. I was trying to go for try to get $24 worth to get the $12 ECBs. I did not. I just hit $17.97, so I still have to go get 6 something left to trigger the next $6 ECB. So I don't know if I'm going to go do that or not, or just wait till next week. So I bought 3 of the Optic White toothbrushes because we need a lot of toothbrushes because I am stocked up on toothpaste. We don't really get the toothbrushes that often. So it's $5.99 for 3, and then $17.97. I had the 5 off of 3 manufacturer coupon, brought it down to $12.97. Just like I said, the CRTs did divide between all 3 Colgate deals, but I'm not sure how much came off of what. That's what's hard about putting it all on one transaction. So yeah. So then I got the $6 ECB back for that. So I did pay a little bit more out of pocket, but that's okay. Then I got the Colgate Max Fresh, which was a sell for $2.99 each. Buy 2, get a $4 ECB. So I bought 4 of them for $2.99 right there, back there. And that came out to $11.96. I used 4 50-cent coupons from the paper, brought it down to $9.96, and I got an $8 ECB. So that is limited twice, and I did do 2 of them this time. So this week I had $62 in ECBs. I rolled them. My total shopping trip was $223.56. I saved between CRTs and coupons and ECBs. It was $202.79. So I did pay $20.57 out of pocket. I do have a budget every week of $20 to spend. That is just my budget I put on myself personally, just to challenge myself to make the shopping trip $20, and that's it. And then I did pay with my I did get back $66 in ECBs, and then I will be triggering beauty 4 times actually, and that will be $12 in ECBs. So I will have $78 in ECBs for next week. So I think it was a pretty good week, guys. I did challenge myself this week with this one transaction, so it was pretty hard. And it's frustrating because you don't know exactly if everything is coming off. So here's my my receipts pretty long, just because I did one huge transaction. And I was like, wow. I was pretty happy though, because I could have been way worse, to be honest. So here's all my coupons that came off. And then all my manufacturer coupons, all my CRTs. So I did pay $20.57 and $10.99 on taxes. So overall was $31.57. And so it was a pretty good deal. It does show here a total savings of $202.79. So it was pretty good. The only things I had snags on where I had a CRT for this item right here, which was a $4 off of, I think it's called this name right here. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, but it was a $4 off of just that product. Did not come off, and I'm assuming because the total was not enough. So maybe if I would have got another one of those, it would have took it off. But that's the only one that I didn't see come off. So that was a bummer. Let's see what else. I think everything else came off fine. I didn't have any problems with any of the other items. So yeah, that was my haul for this week. I think it was pretty good, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I will answer them. If you need any help with couponing, I can help you guys out with that as well. So yeah, hope everyone's staying safe. It's crazy out there right now, guys. And you know, just stay safe out there. And take care of yourselves. And I will be back with a new haul next week. So thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Be part of the family. And I do upload every week my shopping haul. And I do it basically just like this. I'll lay them out and I'll write them out for you guys to be more easier. But yeah, thank you so much. And also, I subscribe for still on the website. You can request samples, right? And I got it in the mail, and I got 4 little packages of one sample each, and a $2 coupon. So you guys can sign up for those kind of things as well. But yeah, guys, have a good day, and thanks for watching.